We have a Panasonic microwave that is overheating and shutting off. Trying to figure out if it needs to be repaired. It started doing this a few months ago when after using a rangemate which lets you cook and brown things in the microwave. Now the microwave is doing it anytime things are cooked more than a few minutes. Not sure if it overheated and damaged something or is wearing out or what. It is a Panasonic model number NNT945SFX, manufactured in 2010. The issue you have is more than likely a bad inverter board or magnetron tube. What often happens is the magnetron tube is going bad, and then when it runs for a minute or so the inverter board does not sense the correct feedback from it and cuts it out. Then after it cools down it will work again. The bad news is either of these parts are expensive and that unit is around $100 new, so I would say just get a new one.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.